children, how are you? This is our Hindi online class second section. All of you ready children? Okay. Before that we have to do the silent prayer. All of you sit straight and close your eyes for 1 minute. Okay children, sit straight. Close your eyes all of you. All of you open your eyes. Okay, my dear children, let us start our class. Children, Dhwani poem. In that poem, the poet is telling about the winter and spring season. What is happening in the winter season? In winter season, the leaves are shed down from the trees. And what will happen in the spring season? Spring season means Vasant Ritu. In spring season, what is happening? The leaves are growing on the trees and the flowers are blooming. These things are comparing with the youth. Youth means the youngsters. The youngsters, those are living in our country. Why the poet is explaining like this means the winter season is the freedom fighters. Those are live for our country and nation. They sacrifice their lives. That is comparing to in spring season. What is happening? The leaves are growing on the tree and the flowers are blooming. The birds are chirping sound. Everything is so nice to hear and so nice to see. Everything is happening in Vasant Ritu. So Vasant Ritu is comparing to the youth and winter, Hemant Ritu is comparing to the freedom fighters. They all sacrifice their lives for our country. Here the poet also youth and he also loving, serving, sacrificing for our nation. And in this poem we can see how he encouraging the Vasant Ritu. Let us read the poem. पुष्प पुष्प से तंद्रालस लालसा खींच लूंगा मैं अपने नव जीवन का अमृत सहर्ष सींच दूंगा मैं. What the poet is telling here? The poet will pull the flowers from the sleepiness, laziness and pour the water with nectar. And he pour the water with nectar. Nectar means amrita. Amrita, like water, he will pour under the water of the flowers. द्वार दिखा दूंगा फिर उनको है मेरे वे जहां अनंत अभी न होगा मेरा अंत. And the poet show the path. Path means what? Way to the flowers. How to live at the end of their life. I will repeat again the lines. पुष्प पुष्प से तंद्रालस लालसा खींच लूंगा मैं अपने नव जीवन का अमृत सहर्ष सींच दूंगा मैं. द्वार दिखा दूंगा फिर उनको है मेरे वे जहां अनंत अभी ना होगा मेरा अंत. The youth and the Vasantakal, they don't have end. This is the theme of this poem. Children, you have to write 8 lines poem in your note. In rough note, you have to write and study 3 times. 8-line poems 3 times in your rough note. Now I will give the meanings and question answer that you have to copy down in your note. And write and study the meanings 5 times, question answer 3 times in your rough note. Now I will explain the meanings. Now Shabdarth. Meanings: Mridul, Komal, soft. Path, Patta, leaf. Gath, Sharir, body. Nirdit, सोया हुआ, sleeping. प्रत्युष प्रातः काल early morning. तंद्रालस नींद से अलसाया हुआ sleepy lazy. लालसा कुछ पाने की चाह और अभिलाषा इच्छा. Desire, interest, wish. These three meanings are here. कर हाथ hand. Then Roman number 3 उत्तर लिखिए. कवि को ऐसा विश्वास क्यों है कि उसका अंत अभी नहीं होगा? Why the poet is having that much confidence his end will never happen? Why he having that much confidence? Because answer, listen all of you, answer. कवि को ऐसा विश्वास इसीलिए है क्योंकि उसका मन में नया जोश व उमंग है. The poet always having what? उसका मन means what? In his mind, what is having? Enthusiasm व उमंग, happiness. These three things having in his mind. That's why he have that much confidence. अभी उसे काफी नवीन कार्य करना है. So the poet can make so many new things. नवीन कार्य means new things he can able to create for our country. So that is the meaning for this first question. And second question, फूलों को अनंत तक विकसित करने के लिए कवि कौन कौन सा प्रयास करता है? फूलों को अनंत, अनंत मीन्स हैप्पीनेस. फूलों को अनंत मीन्स what the things he have to do for the flowers, विकसित करने के लिए, how the flowers want to be. For that कवि कौन कौन सा प्रयास करता है? For that what are all things he trying? प्रयास करता है means trying for that. What he is doing? Answer. Please listen the meaning for this. कवि अपने हाथों के कोमल स्पर्श से उनका आलस्य एवं निराश दूर करके उन्हें चिरकाल तक खिले रहने के लिए प्रेरित करते हैं. In this answer, what the poet is mentioning here, when a soft touch, the bird's laziness will go in, and what is happening here? The birds can live so long days. चिरकाल तक खिले रहने के लिए प्रेरित करते हैं. चिरकाल means live long time. That is mentioning in this answer. Third question. कवि पुष्पों की तंद्रा और आलस्य दूर हटाने के लिए क्या करना चाहता है? तंद्रा और आलस्य means sleepy and laziness. उसे दूर करने के लिए, दूर हटाने के लिए, want to out from the flowers, what the poet is doing. पुष्पों के नींद व आलस्य मिटाकर उन्हें चुस्त means fresh, आबामय means very shiny, वह पुष्पित करना चाहता है. कवि what he encouraging in this line to the flowers? He is asking the flowers to get up from the laziness and want to be fresh and shining. Number 4, वसंत को ऋतुराज क्यों कहा जाता है? Why we are calling Vasant Rituraj means what? Rituraj means season. Why we are calling Vasant as a Rituraj? वसंत को ऋतुराज कहा जाता है क्योंकि यह सभी ऋतुओं का राजा है. For all season, Vasant is the season. The king of the season is Vasant. इस ऋतु में ऋतु यौवन होती है. In the season became so young. यौवन means young. कोयल पंचम स्वर में गाती है. कोयल means cuckoo. Cuckoo will sing 5. पंचम स्वर means 5 Swar means sound. Five sound. With the help of the five sound, the cuckoo will sing a song. सभी को कुहू कुहू की आवाज में मंत्र मुक्त it will attracting all the people with the mantra mukta magical sound. It always inspiring with mantra mukta magical sound. Who? The कोयल, cuckoo. पेड़ में नए पत्ते आते लगते हैं. And what is happening? पेड़ में नए पत्ते आने लगते हैं means the in the trees the new leaves are growing. इस ऋतु में कई प्रमुख त्योहार मनाए जाते हैं. In this season so many festivals are celebrating. What are the festivals? वसंत पंचमी, महाशिवरात्रि, होली आदि. Okay children, all of you carry on your work. Have a great day.